In this video, I'll show you how to bend text in After Effects. Start by opening your project in After Effects. Then go to the top toolbar and select the Text tool. Click anywhere in the composition and type your text. Once done, go to the Properties panel and adjust the font, size and color. Align the text however you want. Now make sure your text layer is selected in the timeline. Go to the toolbar and click and hold on the Shape tool. From the list, choose the Ellipse tool. Then go back to the composition and draw a circle around your text. This will add a mask to your text layer. Now go back to the timeline and expand the text layer. Then open the Path Options section. In the Path drop-down menu, select the mask you just created. You will now see your text bending along the shape of the circle. By default, the text bends inside the circle. To fix this, turn on the Reverse Path option. Now the text will bend around the outside of the circle. To move the text around the circle, adjust the first margin value. You can also click and move the points of the mask to change the shape. This lets you control how much the text bends. That's how you bend text in After Effects.